for breakfast. What do you think? Let's have a take a look what it looks like today. Oh man, doesn't that steak look good or what? I think it does. So let's have us a good breakfast and get our day started, guys.
It is time to get out of here, guys. We wasted enough time in here today. We're kind of being lazy about getting out of here again a little bit. Yeah, well, that's how it goes sometimes. Especially when you know you don't have a long trip.
Turn left and then
when I'm just going home from there again, then you don't really feel like actually getting or going too super early, right? But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and get back on the interstate here and
take the entrance to the
make
right.
our way towards our delivery. Yeah, well, it's just a trailer switch over there, but whatever. And then we go home, right? So here we go. Beautiful sunshine though today. It's a lovely day. Really, really nice day, that's for sure. So let's hammer down and make our way down towards our delivery. We got 400 miles. That's 396, so anyways, so let's hammer down and make this happen, guys. Appreciate you guys tuning in again. I think it is time to make us a little bit of a pit stop here in a minute or two. Yeah, I think we're gonna go up to the Loves up here. We're just entered into Illinois, so I think I'm gonna go in here and get me some fuel here at the Loves, and then go in, take my half-an-hour break, take me a shower, do all that good stuff, you know. Gotta take our half-an-hour break somewhere, right? And you know, I figured why not do it over here, and that way I can go in and take me a shower. I need to take me a shower and I'll be good to go, right? I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go pull in here up to this exit 3, and we're gonna go to the Loves, take care of business, as I like to call it. Yep. And then we should still be able to get through Chicago before the big rush hour starts, because it's only 8 minutes after 11 right now. So you know, by the time we do our shower and whatever, by 12 o'clock we should be out of here, I would think. So then, you know, we'll probably have another 45 minutes up to where, you know, downtown Chicago starts. So yeah, I think we should be able to get through Chicago with no problem. That's the plan anyways. So let's go in here and take care of business, and then we'll be back. I have just finished doing my trailer switch here in Lebanon, Indiana, guys. I haven't made any video clips here in the last several hours. Reason being is it was a bit of a stressful afternoon. Reason being is
continue on this road.
My dad got himself into a little bit of an accident, and what I mean by that is I don't know how to say this. He was doing something at home, and he had a little bit of an accident there and hurt himself. So yeah, needless to say, he's at the hospital right now. I'm praying for him to be able to be okay. And I don't want to gross you guys out, but he was working with a chainsaw, so you can probably imagine right now. So if you don't want to listen any further, I understand. Turn off the video. If you got youngsters around, you know, you may not want to be watching this. But what happened is the chainsaw kicked back and hit him right here in the face and hit his eye. So he's at the hospital right now, and we're going to see if they can save his eye. I really hope they can. So I hope you understand that I haven't really made much of a video today, but Yeah, it's a bit of a stressful situation, that's for sure. On the other hand, dispatch also switched the load around on me, so I'm no longer going back home. I was originally supposed to go back home. Now they canceled that load on me, and now they want me to go to Toronto, which in all reality, that's good. I get good miles, but at the same time, it would have been nice for me to go home and be there for my dad, but all reality, let's face it, there ain't nothing I can do about it. Ain't nothing I can do for him either, right? I can't do surgery on him. What happened is what happened, you know? Nothing I can do about it. At least it's not a life-threatening injury at the moment. And he's in good hands out there at the hospital, so I haven't heard exactly how deep the cut is or anything like that, but I'll probably keep you guys up. We'll see what happens. Alright guys, we have finished our day here in Ohio, I believe it is. Nah, we're still in Indiana. Oh well, anyways, according to my GPS anyways, I think we are in Ohio, but I could be wrong. But anyways, we had a couple of hours driving after we picked up our load, but it got dark, so we kind of had to make our own parking over here. It's not really parking lines, as you can probably see in the mirror. There's no lines there, so but yeah, there's plenty of room on that side where the trucks could drive around, so I think we're still fine. We didn't get bothered here all night long or anything like that, so we made it. Yeah, we had a good night's sleep. We got some good news from my dad. He was released from the hospital last night. They stitched him all up and stuff like that, and they checked everything out, and yeah, I think he got real lucky. He didn't touch his eyeball. He just got a real bad cut here, but right over the center of the eye, just like this, with the chainsaw, something like maybe an angle like this or something like that. But other than that, he's all right. So he got real lucky there. But anyways, be careful out there, guys. You never know what happens, you know. Things happen in a split second. So with that being said, we appreciate you guys watching. We look forward to seeing you back here again tomorrow. Have a great day, everybody, and be safe. Don't forget to be safe out there.